Hello, my beautiful people. Welcome back again, my gorgeous people. Not be small matter or when it dey trend for social media. This guy wanna see for here. In na France guy. In the obodo ibo one country that they call France. Okay, my people. So he come cry, come outside, say waiting our guests, Nigerian guests, they do to our Nigerian boys. Say it dey very, very bad. Say it's not good. So he come cry, come outside, say see waiting they do our boys. So even in now, because na make am e come mask im face, say even in now wetin dem do am say na no be small matter, you understand. He say for inside France now, no love for France again, no, there is nobody to trust again, you understand, because of wetin dey happen for inside France, my people. So he come cry, come outside, come let people know wetin dey happen. My people, no be small matter, no be small gbege, as our brother talk. He said the way our Nigerian people take dey report themselves to social, to police for France, say it too much, you understand, just to get document, my people. As I hear the matter, now I shock. He say e dey very, very bad. If you just offend person, the next thing they go just go lie for government office, say you dey do white powder, you dey do about say different things. My people, when I hear the matter, now I shock. Now I say wetin dey happen. You say why you go use your fellow Nigerian take get document when you know say this document of a thing e no dey last for forever, my people. You say imagine how can a fellow Nigeria person put in your fellow Nigeria for jail just because say you friend them or you friend one of their friend, e no come lead to marriage, my people. He say na there na wahala dey. When I hear the matter, na I say okay, make I carry am come outside, make I come let una know. Una good morning, una good afternoon, una good evening, depends on the time you guys are watching me. From how you all doing, I hope you all are doing great. Please, if you are just watching for the very first time, you are highly welcome. Please, after watching, subscribe and on your notification bell so that anytime I upload, you'll be the first to be notified. To my new subscriber, you all are highly welcome. And to my return is may God bless you. What did the grand be say? This our Nigeria boy come cry, come outside, say see wetin our Nigeria girls they do for France. Say they don't turn informant give oga olokpa finish for inside France. If you offend them or you offend their friend, he say na wetin dem come dey do be that one. He say before for inside France this kind thing no dey happen. He say but now dem no come know wetin come dey happen for France again. The way people take dey give people to oga olokpa, he say no be small matter. He say everywhere don cast, everywhere don get as e be, you understand. He say if you friend girl and the girl now you know e no come lead to marriage, he say so if friends go gather up, they will go report you, they will come go lie on your head, say see wetin you be Curtis, you be jaguda, you dey do white powder market, or you dey do obase. He say and the police now they no go just investigate that very moment, they go just carry the person go kirikiri until how many months before they will come find out say the person are innocent. He say e no good. He say all of us now one Naija, my people. The matter e get as e be touch me. I shed tears. I say God, wetin really happen? Why our people dey like this, my people? Now I come say okay, make I carry the matter, make I come knack am for my fans table, make they come hear wetin dey sup for inside France. So say France fire, there is fire on the mountain, no be small matter again, no be small gbege. Say everywhere don seke, my people. So when I go comment section, now I come see the way people take write for the comment section, say may una still go dey work, make the boys wey dey the France, make they go dey work, make they no dey follow our girls again, because you shop get money, you promise am say you go marry am, so na make body dey pepper dem come dey do all this kind of thing. So na be the matter wey e dey for inside town, my people. When I hear that one, I say okay, I need to just still bring her come outside, because before some girls go come just get that mind say make they go report, e get wetin the boys do, you understand, according to the way they take talk am for the comment section, my people. He say so make the boys make they dey work, make they no dey chop our women money again, so that make the women forget peace, because you no fit use person finish, at the end you go come leave the person for one corner, you understand. So now wetin dey write for the comment section, he say another one talk say make our Nigerian boys no dey friend Nigerian girls again. Maybe they go for Oyibo, you understand, because Oyibo better pass some Nigeria girls. So the advice where this boy come outside, say, I beg me Nigerian girls, make they know they report their fellow Nigeria person, all because of document. He say if you talk, you will delete. If you not talk, you will still delete. I wanna see the matter, my people, because the matter get as e be. So I no go here to take for this video. I go leave una make una watch the full video by una self. I beg our brothers and sisters, may peace reign, because the way this guy take cry come outside and the way he can't take mask in face, it be like say he don't dey into trouble as well. You understand? Because he say France guests don't finish them for that side. So my people, make I just leave una make una watch the full episode about wetin dey happen for France. Okay, happy view guys. See you. Bye.
Yes, in case you are seeing me for the first time, I mean the other song. Yeah, I'm not the two drop video, but for me to come out to come do this live video inside this school, you know, see there is fire on the mountain, there is danger in the town, there is danger in the city. In case you never know, I want to let you know what they go on now for Paris. All those guys who don't do Ashawo, we not make am for Ashawo. So what did they do now? If you be boy, you friend any of their friend, or you get problem with any of their friend, they'll go donation you to police. They'll use you get document and they'll use you get house. Now be the new trendy thing where they go on for Paris now. Every girl for Paris, almost all the girl for Paris get paper, while almost all the boys they prison. Only this year alone, only this year, I have people where I know, like 10 Nigerian boys where I know. They know they do anything, they know they smoke, they be fine boys, they do their things, they follow women, which is normal. They know they do drugs, they not do human trafficking, they know they do anything, but they are in prison. You know why? Maybe they get one girlfriend, the girl give them money, he should come out, then they go report her to police. And all of us don't need to sit down for that one and say no concern me. We not dey fear anybody, now the town we dey. We not dey fear, now police, now prison. They not build down for goat, now you might be the build down for. You know understand? So if we talk, we die. If we not talk, we still die. You don't understand? So the main reason why I come out to come do this video, now to alert the public, at the pool crowd where I don't say I get many people who go watch this video. I beg, I want me you share now. Share this video. Now to alert the public, as in Nigeria, they're very, very careful. They're very, very careful. They're extremely careful. Among us, we have a police informant. We have a betrayer. We have a traitor. We have people that are selling us art. Just because they want document, they want us. Actually, will not favor them. No, to do donation. You donation people to police. You go lie to police. You go talk this one to police. Police go start to follow all those people. Before you know, police go pick them up with 1 or 2 allegations, then send them go prison. They give you ass. They give you documents. For party, man, Nigeria person no go by itself. Sorry, for party police, you know they come party, can't do video. Police don't they come party, can't do video. Now Nigeria person, all these Nigerian girls, now they do the same video for party, they go send and give police. Now they go tell you say, Jean, now you be other song. This is other song. This is AY. This is Dollar Man. This is this. This is that. This is that. Not them. And Nigeria people they do one. Police not be magician. Say police go know everything where they go on for Paris. It's not possible. We have a snake. We have a python. We have, in short, we get problem for the town. Presently, there is an informant in Paris. And this person is destroying the city. When I came to Europe 2014. When I came to Europe 2014, not that Paris be so, not be so it be. We have love. We have unity. You know, they can't stop where they go when me take on. Who gossip back? We don't care who you are. Whether you be a yeo, you be Mafato, you be a yeo, any color way you be, we don't care. For that gossip back, all of us they do things together. All of us go buy drink. If you not get any other man feel buy drink, he go give you. You go drink. Person feel buy weed. If you not get, he go buy. I want smoke, he go give you. Not be like this if it be. We not dey fear like this. Now everybody dey fear. Everybody nobody know who want go next. I did a video. I was advising people. Yes, I was advising people. I said, it's not good. I don't say me you not marry. But as a married woman, it's not good say you still go to do a shower. Then I advised people and I told people that you feel use that money so figure that yourself before you marry. Then as you marry, so that if things not gonna go well, you not gonna leave your husband for us, go to do a shower. People came out for me. So people tell me say, me not go pass next year. Say police go investigate me. What did I do? They say I dey do Yahoo. What did I do? They say my pikin at the ground. Are they okay? I dey follow up. Say not be legit money. But I don't have time to argue with you. Because most of you don't know what is email marketing. Now me telling you what I'm doing. If I don't even say I do email marketing, you not go believe. Because you don't know what to be email marketing. So all your own now. To wear this jacket now, you feel say now Yahoo, but not be Yahoo. Now email marketing money I say buy now. People were threatening me. Nigerian people, they created a fake account. People who knew me very well. They were threatening me. They were telling me they are going to the police. Some people told me they have reported me to the police. What is my offense? Because I came out, I told you as my fellow Nigerians that we need to plan our life. We need to do things first before we rush into marriage. Many people find it offensive. Many people find it rude. Many people find it, so they see my enter house, so they say this, so they say that. There is a traitor in Paris. There is a police informant in Paris. There is somebody that is giving police information about Nigeria in Paris. And this person is in Nigeria. This crew of people, they are Nigerians. All of us don't feel up for the one though. More they say, you know, concern me. One day go reach your body. And now, you were the toss, not be my man they carry now. All those men with the carry, they not be my man. Man, not there. One day, he gonna enter your body. One day, the informant go do and reach your body. Is that time we fish this informant out? Is that time we let this informant know, say, this is the way you dey do so. It's not the right way to get document. If you want to get document, get document. Nobody they tell you say me you don't get document. But stop using people. Stop sending people to prison because of your selfish interest. Stop sending people to prison because you get connection with police. Stop sending people to prison because say one or two things happen between us. We are all Nigerians. We came here to hustle. We came here to look for a better life. We came here to make our family proud. What about those people who you send to police station? And their family say they survive for home. Have you ever think about it? Christmas they come and they're prison. And you want their family just survive. And you are happy. You are destroying other people, you are happy. You are destroying other family, you are happy. The end of informant is not always good, man. Let me tell you the truth. I know you are watching this video. I know you will see this video. But I'm telling you the truth. Every informant who I don't know, their end is miserable. You might be winning now. You might say, yeah, I'm winning. Now me come get Paris. Everybody talk to me. How can police go meet her? And me do this one. You are a fool. That is a black foolishness. Black people go always send their people out. Black people go always give their people out for peanuts. For waiting not reach anything. What if we document? In 50 years from now, we are not going to be talking about document. We are better. We have moved back home. You are happy. You are destroying other people's family. You are destroying other people. You see, say you dey happy, you dey winner, but you dey forget, say, those who fight and run away, or those who run away and fight, we surely live to fight another day. You think say, yeah, not the end. This is just the beginning. We just start life. Like I earlier said, I'm just in my early 30s. And I still get like 60 years more to live. So this is just the beginning. You cannot eat your cake and have it. You the win now. Time to come. Your own go happen. Keep betraying us. Keep the give our information to police. Keep the talk with you are not rich. Keep the do wetin they not say you. One day, Moki go market. He not go return. I don't get much to say. The last thing I'll talk now, they say we still remain for Paris, so they never send go prison. It's time we work together. Forget about where you be. It's time. Use your head. Use your head. For party, I don't fit tell you now. Give this person money, no spray, then they record you. They won't send and give police. It's time we use our head. So that this miscreant, this non-entity, this good for nothing people, this hypocrite, they're not going to get chance. Say happy for our downfall. A lot of them have told me, you'll go prison, you'll do this one. What is my face? Say I they do Yahoo. You don't see me do Yahoo. You get proof. Say I they do Yahoo. What is your proof? What is your proof? Say I they do Yahoo. One time me say December next year, say my enemy go prison. Now I just see, even somebody say and tell me, say, leave that idiot. You don't know anything. Go and Google what is email marketing. If you Google what is email marketing, then you come back to me. I'm a smart boy who know what I'm doing. I know the sense. I've done one or two things in the past, but I will not repeat that mistake because I already know the consequences of life. So if you are there, you are a traitor, you are a betrayer, your own go come. Oh. Your own go come. I will end this video now. Today is your first time of seeing me. I still remember your boy, Ada song. Papa Brave. Stop.